One spring afternoon in 1879, in the small town of Ulm, Germany, a baby was born into a modest Jewish family. No one could have imagined that this child, Albert Einstein, would one day transform the world.
As a child, Albert was different. He spoke late, so late that his parents feared he might have a disability. But inside his mind, something extraordinary was unfolding. One day, his father showed him a simple compass. Albert was mesmerized. Why does the needle move without being touched? He wondered. That question lit a fire in his soul. It wasn't ordinary curiosity. It was the beginning of a lifelong quest to uncover the hidden forces that move the universe.
School did not nourish his mind. His teachers called him slow. Rigid systems suffocated him. He hated memorization, but loved logic. At home, Albert read books far beyond his age: philosophy, physics, mathematics. While other kids played outside, Albert asked, "What would happen if I chased a beam of light?"
Einstein left Germany and moved to Switzerland. He enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. There, he met Mileva Maric, a brilliant woman who shared his passion for science. They fell in love, exchanged ideas, and eventually married, despite the odds. But life wasn't easy. Einstein couldn't land a job as a physicist. He ended up working at the patent office in Bern. Surrounded by paperwork and bureaucracy, his mind continued to wander. And from that quiet place, history was about to be rewritten.
In 1905, Einstein changed everything. In just 1 year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that shook the world of physics. One of them introduced the special theory of relativity. He claimed, and from that came the most iconic equation in science: E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. A simple formula that unlocked the secrets of the universe and laid the foundation for nuclear power.
The world finally took notice, but his fame truly skyrocketed in 1919. During a solar eclipse, scientists confirmed that gravity bends light, just as Einstein had predicted. Suddenly, Einstein became the first scientific superstar. His name was printed in newspapers. His image was everywhere. But while the world celebrated, Einstein remained humble. He wasn't chasing fame. He was chasing truth.
In 1933, Adolf Hitler rose to power. Einstein, Jewish and openly anti-fascist, fled Nazi Germany. He moved to the United States, seeking refuge and freedom. But the world was on the brink of disaster. Fearing Nazi advancements, Einstein reluctantly signed a letter to President Roosevelt urging America to develop the atomic bomb first. The bomb was made, and it was dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Einstein was devastated. Though he hadn't built the bomb himself, he carried the weight of its consequences. From then on, Einstein became a fierce advocate for peace, calling for nuclear disarmament and warning the world of science without conscience.
Einstein spent his remaining years in Princeton, New Jersey. He declined the offer to become president of Israel. He turned down honors, but he never stopped thinking. Even on his deathbed, he was chasing the elusive theory of everything, a single equation to unite all the forces of the cosmos. He never found it. But what he left behind was far more than formulas. He left behind a way of seeing the world, a legacy of curiosity, wonder, and rebellion against ignorance. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955, but his ideas never died. Behind the wild hair and the deep eyes was a man who believed that imagination is more powerful than knowledge, that science must serve humanity, and that the greatest discoveries often begin with a child's question and a little compass.
He was not just a scientist, he was Einstein. Imagination is more important than knowledge, by Albert Einstein.